Good day everyone, my name is 𝗖𝗥𝗜𝗦𝗧𝗜𝗏 and I am a dental technician, and I want to invite you to my home city Bucharest, where we will have this year's European Scientific Meeting on the 16th and 17th of September. So come and find out more about maximizing success and minimizing complications. And if you're interested in guided surgery, then join me and Dr. Simon OMAR at our workshop about full arch immediate restoration called Where Are We Now and What is the Future? This workshop will be focused on the stackable guides, and what we want is to show how they work and how to apply everything by doing a full arch immediate restoration on a model. Last but not least, you must know we will be using the 𝗿𝗂𝗫𝗓 surgical guide kits. There is a limited number of 20 seats for a full day of guided surgery, so don't let this opportunity go by.